Hey everyone, Dave Cook with DeFranco Painting and Wallpaper here with Joshua and the Joshua Tree. So we're doing some cabinet refinishing, and so one of the cabinets we're working on has a glass door, as you can see. So one issue that we come across, it's not a huge deal, but sometimes it is, where the door is siliconed in place. So from the back side of the door, you can see the wood where the glass is put in, and then where this edge is right there, that's where we've tried to paint it, but some silicone just isn't paintable. And even if we can, the silicone comes down so far that if we go to paint that on the other side where that lip is, now you're gonna see, like right now you see the edge of the glass coming through, you'll actually see a white lip of paint. So it's kind of a, where do you stop on doing that? As we're refinishing, sometimes you see more, sometimes you see less, some is more noticeable than others. But just a quick video, so something to kind of what to expect when painting cabinets. This is one thing if you have glass doors, if you don't have the little mullions in here or little decorator trim, sometimes you'll see the trim painted through the glass because this glass isn't coming out. And again, from that side, you can't really see it. So as the door is open, you can't really see it from that side. You can't really see it from there. You can see the darker, but it's not awful. But by the time the door's up, you don't really see anything. But we just want to make sure you guys have an idea of what to expect. If you have silicone sealed or glass that is sealed with silicone on your cabinet doors. If you got questions about painting your cabinets, let us know. Love to see how we can help you love the space you're in at DeFranco Painting and Wallpaper.